In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to account for business expenses paid for personally via bills using Xero accounting software. This is a crucial task for anyone running a business, especially if you often find yourself covering business expenses out of your own pocket. Properly documenting these transactions will not only keep your financial records accurate, but also ensure you get reimbursed. Let's dive right into the process. First, you need to log into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero accounting software website and click on the login button. Enter your email and password, then proceed by clicking log in. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From here, you should click on the business tab located at the top. This will open a drop down menu. Select bills to pay from this menu. Now that you're in the bills section, click on new bill to begin creating a record of the expense. Here's an important point. Since you're paying the bill personally, you want to name this bill to yourself as the owner. This way it's clear that the expense is being covered by you, the owner. The next step is to fill in the rest of the bill details. This includes the date, reference number, if applicable, and any other pertinent details. Take your time with this. Accuracy is key in ensuring everything matches your records. After entering the basic details, add a description for your bill. This is where you can specify what the expense was for, providing context that can be useful not only for you later on, but also for anyone else who might review these records. Remember, the more detailed and clear your description, the easier it will be to recall specifics about that expense later. Now you'll want to select the account code. In Xero, for business expenses paid personally, you should choose the 300 Owner's Contribution Account Code. This step links your payment to the Owner's Contributions category, which is essential for correct financial reporting. Don't forget to add the relevant tax to your bill if it applies. This is crucial for ensuring that your financial records reflect the true cost of the transaction, including any tax implications. Once you've checked everything over, click Approve. Approving the bill confirms that all information entered is correct to the best of your knowledge. The next step is to make a payment. Enter the amount that you paid and the date on which the payment was made. In the Paid From section, select the Owner's Contribution Code once again. This step is important to maintain consistency in your records, showing that the payment came from an owner's personal contribution. Finally, click on Add Payment to complete the process. To confirm that everything was recorded correctly, navigate to the Paid tab, where you will find the record of your paid bill. By following these steps, you ensure your personal payments for business expenses are accurately reflected in your financial statements, keeping your bookkeeping clean and clear.